Sarah with WTI.
I have found a beautiful hose holder. I have been waiting for something like this. My hose is just piled up on the ground outside, and outside is where the dirt lives. It's gross. So I wanted something pretty and cute so that I could organize my hose, and I found it in this beautiful and durable hose holder. It was very easy to put together. It came in a small box, and I had it together in minutes. It came with all the hardware that I needed it to, and I love the material that it's made out of. It is very durable. Everything is made out of metal, and it's very sturdy, which I loved. So here I am. I'm not being gentle with it. I'm getting it into the ground, and then I give it a good forceful wiggle to see if it's sturdy enough, and it withstands my sturdy wiggle. And then it was time to put the garden hose on it. And I gotta tell you, this is a difficult garden hose to coil around. It's big, it's heavy, it's long, but I loved how this garden hose holder stood up to everything that I put it through with this. I love the little shelf that it has below it. I think that is my favorite thing about it, because you can put anything there. You can put little decorative flowers there if you want, or you can put your hose attachments there, which is what I plan on using it for. So if you're looking for something to get your hose off of the dirty ground, or just to help keep you organized, or really just a cute decoration for your garden, then you have found it.
And that's my point of view.